Think you need to hire a designer and spend hundreds of dollars just to get a logo? Not anymore. You can make one in minutes for free. Designing a logo can feel overwhelming and expensive, but AI tools like Canva make it simple. I just opened Canva, searched for logo templates, and asked the AI assistant to suggest ideas for a fitness brand. In seconds, it gives me multiple designs I can tweak, from colors to icons, all without paying a dime. Here's the exact prompt I use inside Canva. Suggest logo ideas for a fitness brand. Feel free to pause the video if you want to copy that. And while this is a great way to get a logo fast, it is only one piece of your business. To actually put all the parts together, from branding to launching, you need a step by step plan. That's exactly what the AI Business Builder Challenge gives you. It is delivered in 5 simple episodes that walk you through setting up your business with AI, including how to handle branding and even your website without tech overwhelm. I'll link the challenge in the description so you can check it out. And along with it, you unlock powerful bonuses like one-on-one AI strategy call with a pro and a copy and paste database of tested AI prompts to save you hours of trial and error. So if you want a business that's more than just a logo, the AI Business Builder Challenge will show you how to put all the pieces together. It's less than $20 and the link is waiting for you in the description.